We are continuing with the similarity of triangles. Here the question is, in triangle ABC, it is given that AB is 12 centimeters. Alright, let's write the data. AB is 12 centimeters. Angle B is 90. AC is 15 centimeters. AC is given 15 centimeters. If D and E are the points on AB and AC respectively, such that angle AED is 90 and DE is 3 centimeters, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED. Alright. Second, we have to prove that area of triangle AED is 6 centimeter square. And third, we have to prove that area of quadrilateral BCED is to area of triangle ABC is 8:9. These are the two things that we have to prove, right? Okay. So let's first prove these two triangles similar. So we will write in triangles ABC and AED. Okay, let's identify which two angles are same. One is this, right? In triangle ADE, this is 90 and in triangle BCE, this is 90. So we will write angle AED is equal to angle ABC. Reason, each 90. Number two is that this angle, which is common, right? So angle A is equal to angle A. This is common in both. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED by AA axiom, right? So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Let's set that proportionality. Therefore, AB upon AE is equal to BC upon ED is equal to AC upon AD. Right? Okay. Now, I have to prove that area of triangle AED is 6 centimeter square. Right? Now, for that, I have the value of AB also and AC also. I don't have BC. Let me first calculate this BC by using the Pythagoras theorem. I know that in triangle ABC, I can use the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 15 square. AB is 12 square plus BC I have to calculate. So this is 225 minus 144 equals to BC square. So this becomes 1 and 8. This is equal to BC square. So my BC is equal to 9 centimeters. I have found BC as 9 centimeters. I have my AB as 12 centimeters and I have this entire AC as 15 centimeters. Alright? Okay. Fine. Now, if I take the ratio of the areas of these two triangles, because I have to prove area of triangle AED should be 6 centimeter. So I will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle AED is equal to, now which two sides will I take out of the two? BC upon ED, right? Fine. Why? EDY. ED is not given to me. It is given 3 centimeters. That's why I have calculated this, because AB was given, then AE was not given. AC was given, then AD was not given. So what I did, ED was given, so I calculated BC, so that along with this I can take this square, BC square upon ED square. Now it will become easy for me to calculate the area of AED. But before that, I have to calculate the area of triangle ABC. So how do I calculate? I have all the measurements here. So I will write area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is 9 into height is 12. 2 6 9 6 54 centimeter square. I got the area of ABC, right? Now I will substitute it here. 54 upon area of triangle AED, which I have to calculate, equals to BC. I have calculated 9, so it will be 81. DE is 3, which is equal to 9. So 9 9s are 81, right? So your area of triangle AED will be 54 divided by 9. So 9 6. So you have proved that area of triangle AED is equal to 6 centimeter square, right? Okay. Now we have to calculate the third part. Area of quadrilateral BCED is to area of triangle ABC should be 8:9, right? For that, I have just calculated here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle AED was 9/1, right? So that gives me ABC is equal to 9 times area of triangle AED, right? Now let me set this ratio. What is this saying? How do I write area of quadrilateral BCED? If I subtract from triangle ABC area of triangle ADE, I will get BCED. So I will write ABC minus AED upon ABC, right? So this will become ABC. I will replace this ABC by 9 times AED minus AED, and in place of ABC I am writing 9 AED, right? Now 9 AED minus 1 AED becomes 8 area of triangle AED upon 9 area of triangle AED. This and this will go, so I am getting 8 upon 9. But he has asked you to write this in form of this, so this is 8:9. So you have proved that the ratio of the area of the quadrilateral BCED to the ratio of the triangle ABC is 8:9.